Hello and welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to level up your guitar skills, you've come to the right place. Today we're diving deep into some awesome guitar hacks that will make playing easier, sound better, and just feel more natural. Let's get right into it. Hack number 1. Press close to the metal fret when playing. First up, let's talk about finger placement. One of the simplest, most effective tricks is pressing your fingers as close to the metal fret as possible, without actually being on it. This helps you get a clearer, buzz-free sound, and it also requires less pressure, so your fingers won't tire out as quickly. So the next time you press down on a string, aim for that sweet spot right next to the fret. This would be correct, that would be wrong. Hack number 2, swapping out chords with easier versions. If you're struggling with a complex chord, don't sweat it. There are often easier variations of chords that sound just as good. For example, instead of playing a full F chord, you can use an F major 7. Or a G chord, you could play a G5, just lift that index finger. A C chord, you'd be adding the 9 doing it that way, but it's still easier to shift, which is a lot easier on the fingers, and the key here is to keep the flow of your music going without getting stuck on tough transitions. Hack number 3, look for common fingers from one chord to another. When switching between chords, look for common fingers that stay on the same string and fret. This small trick can make chord transitions smoother and faster. For instance, if I was to play a G chord, I could switch to an E minor by leaving the index finger down. And then if I want to switch to a C chord from here, I could switch by leaving the middle finger down. And if I want to switch to a D7 from here, I could switch by leaving the index finger down. This minimizes movement and helps keep your playing fluid. Hack number 4, use muted strumming for a more percussive sound. Muted strumming, if you want to add some groove or percussive elements to your playing, try strumming with your palm lightly muting the strings. This creates a muted, chunky sound that's perfect for rhythm playing. It's especially useful when you want to add dynamics or make your playing sound more rhythmic and tight. And what you do is just kind of touch the strings real lightly as you hit that with the pick. Notice I'm just touching it lightly here, not pushing the strings down. And if we use the same chord example as before, we could take that G chord, down up, and then do 2 down up with a dead strum. So G, 2 dead, then switch to E minor, 2 dead, C, 2 dead, and D7, 2 dead. Hack number 5, strum closer to the neck or bridge to play louder or quieter. This is about strumming dynamics. Where you strum on the guitar affects the sound. Experiment with this to add variety to your playing, depending on the vibe you're going for. So for example, if I wanted to be quieter here on that G chord again, strum closer to the bridge. And if I want to get louder, strum closer to the neck. Finally, hack number 6. Strum looser and more relaxed. Tension in your strumming hand can make your playing sound stiff and harsh. By keeping your wrist loose and relaxed, you'll get a more natural flowing sound, and it'll be easier to maintain a steady rhythm. Remember, relaxed playing is the key to sounding smooth and confident. If I was to play stiff and robotic, it would be... Okay, but the opposite of that, which we want to do, is to be a little bit more loose with the wrist in the right hand and just kind of a swaying motion, a little bit relaxed, kind of a chill vibe. See the difference? It's very relaxed as opposed to... And there you have it, 6 quick and easy guitar hacks to improve your playing. If you found these tips helpful, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and be sure to tap that bell so you don't miss anything. And let me know in the comments below which hack you're excited to try out. Until next time, keep practicing and keep rocking, and check out one of these videos next.